Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, John Howell here. Listen, I'm going to be doing an update on Amazon and looking at Amazon right now and where it's likely to go to, and why I personally have invested this one stock that I've invested in that's likely to make some really big moves coming out of the market, and that's obviously Amazon. So I want to share with you what I see with Amazon right now, and also there's an amazing pattern and the projection of where it's likely to go as well too. Now the first thing that I do see is that I have gotten in a bit earlier, but I'm okay with that little bit extra risk. And what I mean by that is this, is that sometimes when we're looking at the markets can give us a very sideways momentum, sideways movement through here. All right. So the more safest time to get into the market, get into a trade, is not when the market's gone sideways, because you can get chopped up. This is probably what's happening with gold and silver right now, getting chopped up big time, and then and again, that's the reason why gold and silver is doing this right now. But I truly believe, again, long term, I see gold and silver breaking out, like we've seen a lot of tech stocks do. But obviously today is not about gold and silver's getting chopped up, because we're still in this sideways route. We really haven't broken out yet. But once we do break out, then it's likely to be on like Donkey Kong. So we can see here we've had this higher low. You can start to see we're squeezing up in this pattern. We had this low, we had this higher low, and now we're going through here as well too. We could have a nice higher low in the market. And so we're squeezing up here. And so looking at this on a, let me actually just minimize this slice here. What we can see here is we see how we have a very, very, very nice defined channel. We have all this resistance up through here, and then we have all this support down through there, right around that 1200 level. So what we do is what's important to do is let me actually take that off the screen, is you get a line and you project it from the channel. Whenever you see a channel like this, it's really, 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 really powerful. Is you have the resistance up here, you have the support down there, and then also you have and then what you do is you project that up. So you can see I've just measured it from the high to low of the channel, project it up. So once Amazon starts to break out, and it may happen, even next week, as I'm doing this recording, then once it does start to break out, then I have a 4,100 target on this here. Now that's a minimum basis based on what I'm seeing across the markets, is that we're in this melt up phase. So we could possibly even double that. If I go to my weekly charts, let's go to the monthly charts. Let's see if I can notice anything through here. Let's actually go to even something like a logarithmic chart. Let's actually go to the weekly chart. What I'm doing right now, guys, I'm just looking at where the market may be getting ready to, where it may go to overall. So if I have a look at this here, if I just connect two different lines, let's actually just connect two different lines. I'm going to connect it from the high point through here, and then I'm going to connect that high point up through there. So let's actually go now to the daily charts. Let's go back to the daily chart now, and we can see that even though we have, let's actually see this here. Yeah, so looks like sort of X marks the spot up there of that long-term level. But even when I'm drawing this, guys, I see Amazon making a lot higher moves than just the channel, right? Because even like back here, if I go back to this weekly chart here for a minute, you'll notice the exact same thing that happened. Let me actually open this chart back up. You'll notice the exact same thing happened down the bottom here as well too. You can see how, let me just draw it through here, right? So you can see how we had the channel. There was the channel there. And obviously we had the channel probably somewhere through there as well too. Like there was a bit of a channel. And you can see not only did it actually get the projected channel, which is probably just a very small move through there, as you can see. Let me actually just draw that now from basically there to there. All right, just a rough gauge anyway. Not only can you see when it broke out that it actually met the target of the channel, but it actually had a lot more upside. So I see Amazon having a lot more upside to come, especially after all this sideways movement. You can see, let me just zoom it in a bit more again, make it auto range. You can see how Amazon once again has just been doing nothing pretty much for 12 months. So this is the Amazon's had a lot of resting now. It's actually helped the earnings per share come down as well too. So Amazon's a fantastic buy for me, which I am in right now. And I see Amazon having tremendous moves for the rest of this year. Hence the reason why I personally invested in this one. This one stock I've invested in. It may not break out like straight away, but once it does start to break out, like a lot of the other tech stocks, there's probably likely to go bammy. So that's here's a bit of an update, guys, on the one stock that I just invested in for me personally and what I'm seeing right now. Guys, if you really enjoyed this sort of stuff, then just make sure you grab that free trading course with the link below. I'll speak to you guys soon. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.